Uyu munsi ni kuwa mbere tariki ya 4 Nyakanga 2022. Ni umunsi w'185 mu minsi igize uyu mwaka, harabura iminsi 180 ngo uyu mwaka urangire. Turi kuwa mbere wa 27 ko 2022 itangiye, tugeze mu cyumweru cya 28 mu byumweru bizaranga uyu mwaka wa 2022. Uyu munsi u Rwanda ruri kwizihiza umunsi wo kwibohora. Rero tukugezaho abavutse ku tariki nk'iyi mu isi ya siporo n'ibyaranze iyi tariki mu mateka y'imikino itandukanye. Abasportifu b'uyu munsi tubahereye kuri Alfredo Di Stefano, yabonye izuba ku itariki nk'iyi ya 4 Nyakanga mwaka w'1926. Yaza kuba kiriho abayujuje imyaka 96. Yavukiye Buenos Aires muri Argentine, akaba yarakiniye amakipe 3 y'ibihugu atandukanye. Yakiniye Argentine, akinira Espagne ndetse na Colombia. Di Stefano afatwa nk'umwe mu bakinnyi beza b'ibihe byose, akabazwi cyane ubwo yafashaga Real Madrid kwiyegurira Uburayi mu myaka y'1950. Di Stefano bahimbaga Sieta Rubia, yakinaga nka forward cyangwa attacking midfielder, akaba yarakinye mu makipe atandukanye arimo River Plate, Huracan, Millonarios, Real Madrid na Espanyol. Di Stefano mu mwaka wa 2004 yashyizwe ku rutonde rwa FIFA rwakozwe na Pele rw'abakinnyi 100 beza bari bakiriho icyo gihe. Akaba yaratabarutse ku ya 7 Nyakanga mu mwaka wa 2014 afite imyaka 88. Yaguye Madrid ho mu murwa mukuru wa Espagne. Undi wavutse uyu munsi ni Emil Penza, yavutse ku ya 4 Nyakanga mwaka wa 1978. Uyu munsi akaba yujuje imyaka 44. Eka Basunga Lokonda Emil Penza ni umubirigi wavukiye Izelik mu Bubirigi, akaba yarakinaga nka rutahizamu. Uyu yanyuze mu makipe atandukanye nka Standard de Liège, Schalke 04 yatwaranye nayo ibikombe 2 bya DFB Pokal. Uyu yanakiniye kandi Hamburger CV, bakaba baratwaranye igikombe cya UEFA Intertoto Cup ndetse yakiniye na Manchester City. Uyu munsi kandi havutse uwitwa Alex Berenguer. Uyu ni umunya Espagne wavutse tariki ya 4 Nyakanga mwaka wa 1995. Avukira mu gace ka Pamplona Inavare ho muri Espagne, akaba yujuje imyaka 27 uyu munsi. Alejandro Alex Berenguer Romero yatangiriye mu ikipe ya Osasuna ayikuriramo, aza kuyivamo mu mwaka wa 2017 yerekeza muri Torino yo mu Butaliyani. Akaba yarayimazemo imyaka 3 kuko mu mwaka wa 2020 yasubiye iwabo muri Espagne muri Atletico Bilbao, banatwaranye igikombe cya Supercopa de España 2020-2021. Iyi kipe akaba ari nayo gikinira kugeza ubu. Uwongeze wavutse ku itariki nk'iyundi yitwa Emitana. Uyu ni umwongerezakazi wabonye izuba ku ya 4 Nyakanga mwaka wa 1991. Avukira i Sheffield ho mu Bwongereza. Uyu munsi akaba yujuje imyaka 31. Uyu Emitana akina nka myugariro muri Orlando Pride, gusa yanyuze mu makipe nka Manchester United y'abari n'abategarugori, batwarana FA Cup ya 2018-2019 ndetse akaba amaze guhamagarwa inshuro enye mu ikipe y'igihugu y'Ubwongereza y'abagore, banatwaranye igikombe cyitwa Cyprus Cup muri 2015. Emitana yakiniye izindi kipe zirimo nka Leeds United, Sheffield, Notts County ndetse na Liverpool y'abari n'abategarugori. Ku itariki nk'iyi kandi hari n'abakoze ubukwe barimo David Beckham. Yakoze ubukwe ku itariki nk'iyi mwaka wa 1999, akorana ubukwe n'umuririmbyikazi witwa Victoria Beckham. Icyo gihe David Beckham yari afite imyaka 24, hanyuma Victoria Beckham yari afite imyaka 25. Gato ku bihe by'ingenzi tutapfa kwirengagiza byanditse itariki nk'iyi mu mateka y'imikino. Ibyo reka tubihere mu mwaka wa 1890 ku itariki nk'iyi hakinwe Wimbledon y'abagore muri tenisi, maze uwitwa Lena Rice aba umunya-Ireland wa mbere w'umugore utsinze Wimbledon. Icyo gihe yatsinze uwitwa May Jack amaseta 2-0. 1891 ku itariki nk'iyi hakinwe Wimbledon mu bagabo, ndavuga muri tennis, itwarwa n'uwitwa Wilfried Badeley, atsinze Joshua Pin amaseta 3-1. Iyongeye kandi kuyitwara mwaka wa 1892, atsinze uyu nguyu n'ubundi bari barahuye mu mwaka wari wabanje witwa Joshua Pim ku maseta 3-1. Naho mu mwaka wa 2016 ku itariki nk'iyi ya 4 Nyakanga, ikipe ya Rayon Sport yatwaye igikombe cy'amahoro itsinze mu keba wayo w'ibihe byose APR FC ku mukino wa nyuma. Icyo gihe Rayon Sport yatsinze APR igitego 1-0, igitego cyatsinzwe na Ismael Diarra. ibyo byari bike mu byaranze itariki nk'iyi mu mateka y'imikino itandukanye ku isi. Ndi gutegurira ibingibi nkanabikugezaho di Esther Fifi Uwizera.
And Paul Kagame coming to Rwanda was like a dream to all parts. General Fred Gisarugijema had to come alone as Paul Kagame was in United States of America. In a blink of an eye, General Fred Gisarugijema was shot. The battle didn't stop as they kept on advancing. They were surrounded by the strong army which were France, FAL known as Force Armée Rwandais. Most of them were dead, and the last option they had was calling Paul Kagame, as he was in Army Command and General Staff College in Fort Leavenworth, Kansas. When he reached, he started reorganizing his army. All his plans took place in his bunker. The enemy of my enemy is my friend. They firstly attacked Ruhengeri to free the political prisoner. Since then, the war changed and President Habyarimana was confused and led him to sign the peace agreements. The other leaders were not happy about the agreement. They then decided to take him down on his flight from Tanzania to Rwanda on 6 April 1994. After months of war, the RPF under Paul Kagame at this time spent the later half of June fighting to liberate the capital. The RPF finally defeated the Rwandan army and liberated Kigali on 4th July. The RPF declared victory, with Paul Kagame being named as a new leader. 4th July was immediately designated by the new government as Liberation Day. This is the blood.